More useless information from the man cave. Here we have a dehumidifier. The room temperature of the air going into that is 19.9 degrees Celsius. The room humidity air going through there is 59%. Now, the interesting part is on the exit. So we go around to the exit. The exit is coming out 22% RH and a slight increase in the temperature, but that's basically from picking up heat from the motor and that in the air and this, that, and the other. But it just goes to show 22% on the out, 58% on the in. That's a lot of moisture being taken out of that air. So it just goes to show they do the job they're supposed to do. Every house should have one, if not two.